kids, I'm back and it is time for math. Now all of you know you should be able to count to 100 by the end of kindergarten. Most of you can, but keep on practicing. Remember, you can pat your head. 1, 2, make it a little bit harder. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 100. Do that every day. But today I really want you thinking about the number 10. Now I'm going to show you a couple pictures in a second of different things you can use around your house to make the number 10. We're going to try to make it as many ways as we can. So these were some kindergartners. I'll show you what they used. So you can see here, one kid, he was using popsicle sticks. Another kid had dice at their house. Another little kid, I guess it was Easter, they were using eggs, dominoes, some crayons. So whatever you have in your house, I want you to get, you need at least 10. You're going to make 10 as many ways as you can. So I'm going to show you what Miss Henderson's going to do. We're going to create, it's called a concept map. And it's all going to be about the number what? 10. Good job. So remember, first things first, it's always the same. I pick up my pencil and I write my name. And remember, make sure you're pinching it. You set it down, pinch, and flip. So I can get my name, Miss Henderson. Now, when I was walking around my house, I was lucky and I found these beans. I think I've shown some of you before at school. So I found these beans and they're just two different colors. I know it's blurry. Give it a second. Some are red, some are white. And I'm going to use them to make the number 10. So get a sheet of paper, whatever you have, crayons, pencils, whatever you need. And don't write too big, but we're going to write a little 10. Big line down, circle. 10. I'm going to draw a circle around that. And I'm going to try to make 10 as many ways as I can. And of course, Pikachu's going to help me. All right, Pikachu, we're making 10. I'm going to reach in my bag and just grab a couple. Let's see. I have 1, 2. So I have 2. Is that enough? Let's keep going. I'm going to have 2 right up here. I'm going to have 2 on top. Count for me. 3. Don't count till I put it down. 4. 5. 6. 7. Am I there yet? Oh, 8. 9. Oh, I'm going off the paper. And 10. Let's double check that. So we had 2 up top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. So I have 10, but how did I make it? Let's look at it. So I had 2 up top. I'm going to write that right here. Draw a little line. So let's draw an arrow. I like arrows. So I had 2 up top. How many do I have on this bottom row? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I had 8. So I had 2. And did I add more or take away? Good, I added more. So I added 8 more. And what does it equal all together? 10. Good job. All right, let me mix this up. Take those off. Let's try doing it another way. And I want you to think of another way. I did 2 plus 8 more. Can you think of another way? Let's see. Pikachu, how many should we start with this time? He wants me to start with 4. Okay, let me get 4 jelly beans. I call them jelly beans. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, right? Okay. So Pikachu said 4. Is that 10 yet? We gotta keep going. Let's put some below it. So we have 4 up top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 altogether, but how did we make it? Let's look. So remember, Pikachu wanted how many? 4. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4. So we had 4 up top. Let's draw a little arrow. On your right. So we had 4. Remember, we're adding more. We're not taking away because we're trying to make 10. How many were on bottom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we added 6 more. But all together, how much did it make? 10. Good job. Let's move our jelly beans. We're making, these are number sentences. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Do you think there's another way we can make it? Let's try it. Okay, let's do 5. We have 5 fingers. 1, 2. You know what? I'm going to draw it this time. It's okay to draw it. Let's draw it. So we have 5 jelly beans. Let me draw a little arrow so I know, because we're always making 10. So 5 jelly beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do we need more? Let's put them down here. Let's keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We made 10, but how did we make it? Go and look at how many are on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we had 5, and then we added some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we added 5 more. And how much did it equal all together? 10. Good job. Let's try to do one more way together. Now there's a lot of ways, so I want to see how many you can come up with at home. Let's do one more together. All right, I'm just going to grab some jelly beans. I'm not going to look. All right. 2. Oh, we already did 2. Let me grab some more. How many? 3. Okay, we haven't done 3 yet. All right, so we have 3. But we're trying to get to 10, so we need to add some more. So we have 3 up top. Let's put some more on bottom. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah, we made 10. But remember, how did you make it? We started off with 3 up top. So we had 3. Remember, around a tree, that's how you make a 3. And we added more, so we're using the addition symbol. We're adding more. How many did we have to put on the bottom row? Or this is a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know 3 plus 7 more equals 10. Let's draw an arrow so we know it equals 10. And remember, this is our equal symbol. If you want to put the equal symbol too, you can definitely do that because we know it equals. That's our number sentence. Equals. So let's clear those beans off. Now I want you to do this at home. Sheet of paper, crayons, whatever you have. I use beans. You can do whatever you want. If you want to draw pictures to make 10, that's fine. But make sure you're practicing your number sentences. And now I know Cameron and Micah and quite a lot of you like to do your number sentences a little different. So when you're, I'm just using my chalk for this. Remember, we can do our number sentences sideways. So let's do this one. We did 2 plus 8 equals, and what does that equal? Good, 10. So we're doing 10. But remember, you can also write your number sentences top to bottom, which is kind of cool. So if you want to do it that way, that's fine too. 2 plus 8 more. Remember that line. This line means equal. It's the same thing. It means equals. Equals what? 10. That's okay too. Either way you want to do it is good. But as long as you're writing your number sentences, I want you to come up with as many ways to make the number 10. You can have your mom or dad or grandma take a picture of it, send it to me, email it to me. I'd love to see your hard work. Or if you want to send a video of you telling me how to make 10, tell me as many ways as you can. I would love that. Well, say goodbye, Pikachu, and I'm going to come up with another video for you guys. Bye.